building a PC is not that hard. We're gonna go through it step by step today. Don't be intimidated. We use very simple tools. Some tweezers, whatever this tool does, and this. Rubber bands to keep you safe. Plenty of thermal paste because you can never have enough. Oh, how'd that get there? Sorry, get rid of that. Make sure to put your elastic band around your wrist because it's the PC Builder professional thing to do. We begin with the motherboard. The motherboard is like the Mother Earth. As the Mother Earth contains within it the society that we live in, so does the motherboard contain with it a similar digital society. Similar in the way that it functions and runs. Ah yes, the RAM. This is DDR RAM, the third. D for double. You can snap it down the middle along the notch to get double the RAM. Thankfully our motherboard supports RAM, and that's a good thing. Make sure to place the RAM as close to each other as possible, as they can become lonely otherwise. Your heatsink, you might notice that it already has thermal paste on it, but anything with the word thermal in it can't be good. Thermal throttling, thermal nuclear war, thermometer. Not words I like, so get rid of that. Instead, you should be using either margarine or butter. If you've ever watched Linus, it's the same thing he uses to keep his hands cool in the production studio. If it's good enough for him, it's good enough for us. Make sure to put it directly in the socket. This way we make sure that every contact is properly cooled. Can't be too careful. Then go ahead and rub some on top. And there you go. Fantastic, right? Not that hard. Now, of course, we will be playing our game at full HD 1080p resolution. For that reason, we can go ahead and dump all of this. Yeah, get rid of that. Instead, we can use these. We can go ahead and case them inside a blanket. And what were we doing? PC building? Never mind. Enjoy your little ferret bonus. Bye-bye.